So as you can see, I just dropped the mom, and this is the new mobile where I am recording from this mobile. Yesterday I get the mobile. Over a 32,000 rupees has been gone for this mobile, means EMI of this mobile, and also the 3,000 rupees I just pay for this mobile to get this mobile. And 3,000 rupees I just spent 3,200 rupees for the first installment, first matlab means first time. If you get a mobile on the EMI, you have to pay little bit money, or zero down payment is also the option, but zero down payment is not the option for this mobile because this is a 30k mobile and 28k mobile, so that's why there is a no zero down payment mobile thing. Zero down payment mobile, zero down payment thing is there. So I get a mobile from the 32,000, and then right now I just dropped the mom yesterday, before the yesterday, and that mobile has, I have recorded over, I think 30 40 30 40 not 1 to 2 logs, but that after reaching to the home and in the end of the day I just see that on that mobile where is my vlog, and that time I see that vlog has been gone because there is no storage is remaining. 128 has been 120 GB has been full on this that mobile, and 128 127 128 is going on. And there is also work which is called YouTube work which I do on the mobile, and that requires a space, so I upgraded over the 8 GB 256 GB. So right now that I am satisfied with this mobile. It has the thing that you have a, see this, like this was a so this was the thing, like it has the thing like you have the 4K quality of a video. When you record the video, 4K 30 fps is supported for this mobile, so that's why I get for vlogging, and also get for the thing which is called the YouTube work. And I have to find the way to make money from the YouTube USA channel, not a normal channel. Hindi channel I can monetize, I have guaranteed I can monetize in the 15 to 20 days, but there is the scene that is the views and the money. Views will came, but the money will not came on that thing. Money is very low. If you go for the USA channel and you see that the long videos are producing over the $12 RPM, $10 RPM, and here you get a $0.60 RPM, $0.20 RPM. Means what the fuck is this about the YouTube? So that's what I found it, and right now I am working on that niche, on the niche of the finance. Let's see what will happen and what will I do. Now right now there is a trend has been going, and the 4K FPS quality is how work. I will see that. So let's go to the home and let's go to do the rapid on this mobile also. So make money is important right now, and then after that we will see. We will go home and do the remaining push-ups. Right now the 4K quality is actually working very well. I think the face has been fully, there is no type of a filter or any type of thing. So let's go, we will see. So I have just reached the home, and right now I have to do the 150 push-ups, and means in the morning I have done the 50 push-ups, and 90 squats I have to do right now, and then dumbbells. That much workout I have to do complete quickly, so I can go for eating, because this is the time of 1:30 today. It is very late because 12:30, and make over with 730 rupees. That takes up too much time, because yesterday I have the bike problem which is not working, and then I go for the repair, and repair has been open at the 10 a.m. so I have make a 200 rupees only, and then after that I go for the getting the mobile, and I have get this new mobile, and for that causes I have make a 200 rupees in the yesterday, and right now today I have make over 730 rupees, and then I came to the home right now, and I have to do the workout. So I will continue to do the vlog in the until the end of the day. Right now the video quality is also good, rather than the last mobile, I think so. So let's see what we can do. So I am here and the day has been ended. We have lost again $30 which I have earned from the doing the uh, Blinkit work whole month. Invested 4,000 miss wasted 4,000 rupees on the trading. 3,200 rupees has been gone from the to the trading. Lost all the trades and right now we are started again to do the YouTube work which is remaining. So the day has been ended and I will meet you tomorrow. Let's go.